Tesla cut production at Giga Shanghai just before Christmas, citing scheduled maintenance. According to new reports, Giga Shanghai production will be impacted well into January, with a production halt planned between January 20th and January the 31st, apparently for Chinese New Year. Tesla China has issued a statement in response to the reported shutdown of production at the Gigafactory Shanghai. The remarks of the EV manufacturer came amid reports in the mainstream media that Giga Shanghai has been shut down since Saturday. Welcome to First Class Tech, and in this video, we will take a look at why exactly Tesla Giga Shanghai will halt production in January and further updates. Tesla's outlook for the end of the year is depressing as it faces headwinds in global markets. Its main production hub in Shanghai was rumored to be shutting down before Christmas, citing a rising tide of infections after China lifted its zero-COVID policy. Other speculation suggests that output may need to be reduced by up to 30% as demand for Tesla vehicles has slowed and inventories have begun to build. Tesla China later sought to clarify the situation in order to put an end to further speculation. According to a company statement, some areas of the factory are being maintained, while others will continue to operate normally. Of course, Tesla claims that there is no softening in demand and that everything is proceeding as planned, a statement that has become all too common in the last year. According to a recent report, Tesla will reduce the Gigafactory Shanghai output in January of 2023. The update appeared to be negative for the EV manufacturer, especially since the shutdown was already implemented in Giga Shanghai earlier this month. According to sources, Giga Shanghai will only be producing for 17 days in January, citing an internal schedule that it allegedly saw. As per the source, Tesla's production in the EV plant would run from January the 3rd to January 19th, then stop again from January 20th to January 31st. The reported production halt from January 20th to the 31st is reportedly due to an extended break for the Chinese New Year, which would take place from January 21 to the 27th. According to sources, Tesla did not specify a reason for the Gigafactory Shanghai production slowdown next month. It is also unclear whether Giga Shanghai will completely halt operations for the extended Chinese New Year holiday, or if the EV manufacturer will follow a similar strategy to what was implemented earlier this month. According to recent Tesla China comments, Giga Shanghai's vehicle production was halted in December, but parts of the plant, such as those dedicated to the production of charging piles, remain operational. It should be noted, however, that Tesla's production cuts coincide with China's decision to abandon its zero-COVID policy, causing manufacturing operations across the country to be disrupted. China's general auto sector has recently faced some challenges, though new energy vehicles from companies such as BYD have thrived. While Tesla China's reported strategies for Giga Shanghai may appear to indicate a drop in demand, keep in mind that the facility has been upgraded this year. As a result of the upgrades, Giga Shanghai should be able to produce a significant number of vehicles in China next month, even if the facility is only operational for 17 days. Nonetheless, Tesla's decision to halt production at the end of the year is unusual. Giga Shanghai is the EV maker's most important production hub, and the end of the year has traditionally been a time when Tesla has pushed for increased production and sales. Giga Shanghai remained operational throughout the last week of December of 2021, with only a 3-day break for the 2021 Chinese New Year. Things are different this year. More than 3 days of production will be discontinued. By the way, if you're watching us for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you can enjoy our future videos while getting updated. Now coming back to the topic. Tesla China stated to the Global Times on December 25th that reports on the facility's production halts are not entirely accurate. Tesla China stated that the vehicle production line at Giga Shanghai would be undergoing annual maintenance. The workshops at the facility that make charging piles would not be affected. In 2022, the Shanghai plant will continue to produce efficiently and with high output. Vehicle production will proceed as planned for next week's annual production line maintenance. At the same time, after a year of hard work, the workers took a break during the production line's maintenance period. The charging piles and other workshops have not stopped. and the media's assertion that the factory has ceased production is not entirely correct, Tesla China stated. Tesla China CEO Tom Xu collaborated with the Shanghai team on Cybertruck production at Giga Texas. Xu is reportedly on the shortlist for a promotion at Tesla. Xu's involvement at Giga Texas and the Fremont factory has prompted colleagues to speculate that he could be in line for a higher level position. The Tesla China CEO and the Shanghai team in August of 2022 to address production issues in the United States. Xu allegedly hired a Chinese engineering team to assist him with Giga Texas and the Fremont factory. According to a source familiar with Giga Texas operations, the Shanghai team was seen working in an area designated for Cybertruck and battery development. Tesla intends to begin production of the Cybertruck next year. Cybertruck bodies have been spotted at Giga Texas in recent months, indicating the company's progress. A video from Giga Texas a few days ago indicated that the factory had begun receiving major parts of IDRA's 9,000-ton Gigapress for Cybertruck production. According to Xu's colleagues, the Tesla CEO could be in line for a senior position with a broad role at Tesla. Xu has been seen flying frequently between Texas and California, where Tesla's main US factories are located. According to Chinese media, Xu may be named Tesla Global CEO, and Elon Musk is considering him to be the company's next CEO. However, as of this writing, Tesla has not announced any plans or details about Xu's reported new position within the company. Elon Musk may retain the title of Tesla CEO, but as the company expands, a manager for global operations may be required. Tesla is expected to announce a new Gigafactory location by the end of the year, providing Musk with yet another location to visit and oversee. However, according to recent information posted by Chinese provider Kichacha, Xu is no longer the legal representative of Tesla Shanghai Co. Ltd. Wang Hao, Tesla China's general manager, has taken over the position. Xu, on the other hand, is still listed as the chairman of Tesla Shanghai Co. Ltd. According to reports, the change in Tesla China's information took effect on December 22nd. While Tesla China's explanation is appreciated, it is not difficult to argue that the EV maker could have handled its communications more effectively this time. Reports of Giga Shanghai's alleged production halt this month have been circulating since the beginning of December, and all Tesla China really said at the time was that the claims were untrue. It would have been preferable if Tesla China had posted its full explanation as soon as the initial reports of the production halt surfaced. In some ways, Tesla China's handling of Giga Shanghai's annual production line maintenance could be viewed as a rare miss for the company's communications team, which typically handles communication far better than its Western counterpart. In the past, Tesla China, for example, has won the war against the social media trend of alleged Tesla brake failure incidents. Tesla China was able to secure amends from both media outlets and social media influencers who pushed the brake failure narrative in the country thanks to assertive legal strategies, among other things. Tesla has not stated why production is slowing, but sources believe it is due to increased inventories and dwindling demand for Tesla electric vehicles. Tesla previously stated that it expects a 50% increase in output and deliveries in 2022. Nonetheless, analysts anticipate that production will fall short of that target. According to fourth quarter forecasts, Tesla should increase output by about 45% in 2024, though recent production idling may make those estimates appear overly optimistic. We don't know how much the reduced output at Giga Shanghai will be offset by increased output at Giga Texas and Giga Berlin. Nonetheless, the end of the year is approaching, as is the time when fourth quarter results will be released. And with that being said, it is time to end our video. Before that, we would like to know, what are your thoughts about the Giga Shanghai? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this one. We will see you in the next video.